talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Pocket Option app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it, then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on profile, then you come to next CPR. Then all you have to do, just click here on profile, click on it. When you click on profile, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you come here to subscribe to companies trading and analytics. Clicking this sign or this color, like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now here. Subscribe to companies trading analytics. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.